Artificial intelligence is transforming business analysis. Today, I want to share 3 ways AI is reshaping how we work, how it's boosting our productivity, changing how we collaborate, and redefining our role as business analysts with stakeholders. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about productivity. AI powered tools are speeding up tasks that used to take hours for business analysts. It's not without human collaboration, though. We must play a big part in determining how to use the AI. We provide inputs, and in the multiple steps that it often takes to do something, we have to provide the thinking between the steps. We have to think about the inputs we're using, evaluate the outputs, adjust what we do next based on the outputs. And we are a big part of this interaction between BA and AI in order to get the most from AI. It's not just a simple AI just automates it for us. So imagine summarizing lengthy documents with AI, generating insights from data, drafting initial requirements or user stories, all done in minutes with AI. But wait, it's not a one step thing. As BAs, we analyze and think about the inputs we provide, the outputs we get back, and we keep using our brains to refine and interact with AI to make it better. This allows us to focus more on strategy and less on repetitive work. Even though it's a repetitive interactive task with AI, it's still much faster and even higher quality if we do it right. So, what can AI do to help BAs be more productive? Well, generative AI can help us do things like research what a common business process is for a certain industry or a certain common business process. It can help us research and brainstorm common scenarios and business rules and more. This helps us analyze information we get from data and our stakeholders, and in return, ask really good questions. It helps us fill in potential gaps, understand common processes that we may not know much about. And this saves us a lot of time when it comes to a lot of meetings and research. It can also help us draft requirements, test cases, emails, documents, meeting notes, and more. But notice I say draft, it's just a start. And the interaction with AI can help us continue to evolve these deliverables, but our thinking comes a long way, and so does our business analysis skill set. One of my favorite uses for business analysts about how to use generative AI is how it can help us draft visual models that we use to analyze. These are those BA specific techniques that help us connect users and data and scenarios and rules and workflows and data and really help us analyze it to get the best solutions and make sure we're not leaving gaps behind. Okay, next let's talk about collaboration. Huge impact that AI has on how we collaborate with others, like our vendors and our tech teams. With using AI, developers use AI to write code, for example, and our quality assurance professionals write test cases with it. So this changes the inputs that we provide them, or in other words, how we collaborate with them. So it's one thing to try and automate our work, but if our work is changing as inputs to what others do, we have to really rethink what we're doing as a business analyst and collaborate differently with others. We need to provide the context, the user experience analysis, the detailed user scenarios. It's about structured information with context over detailed technical requirement statements, and that's what's critical going forward. We also need to change our approach in collaborating as we adopt a hypothesis and experimental approach, as it's needed with AI to test out the process and the AI results and then determine how much human in the loop is needed for various AI interactions. This approach requires a user focus, more tight collaboration among the team with the BA, and a focus on outcomes and metric alignment with the business teams. It's a fast paced, iterative, and feedback driven process that we need in order to get AI working for the products and solutions we build. Okay, next is working with our business stakeholders. AI is and can be embedded into complex systems where BAs are helping business teams define and integrate AI into existing and new business processes via the systems that they use. Business leaders are wanting to completely redefine business processes, user interactions, and customer experiences, leveraging AI. And we are at the center of helping define this and make it happen. In order for BAs to be successful working with business leaders and business teams with AI, we need to put our own oxygen masks on first. We need to learn about AI and what it's capable of, and continuously learn about how different uses of AI are happening in many industries. This will give us an advantage to be more innovative in our mindset as we're able to connect these capabilities and ideas on how to help business leaders solve real business problems and opportunities with AI. AI is here to stay and it will keep evolving in its capabilities over time. Remember when the web was just web pages with text, it was read only? Then capabilities of the social aspect of AI, where we could read and write things. Then the web evolved into actual transactions. Well, AI will also evolve, yet much faster and with deeper capabilities. It will transform our careers, change the skills that we need, and change the organizations that we work in. I'm here to help you navigate this shift as a BA and make your career thrive. Business analysis is a field that requires continuous learning and professional development. You must stay current with industry trends and best practices. Learn from me and learn from your peers. Join our community, join our learning groups. See you soon.